Welcome back to day 3 of Python in 5 minutes a day. Today, you will learn how to take input from the user in Python and display it back. Let's get started. So I have opened VS Code here and used another file named input.py. Until now, we printed fixed text like hello world. But what if you want the user to type something? That's where the input function comes in. Let's write a simple code. Say name equals input, then press bracket, enter your name. Okay. So we can print what data the user have given. So this gives the user my name. This is a comment. Let's see it. Then see the computer is asking for a data. I can give my name here. And the computer is interacting with me with the given data with another fixed text like hello. This line asks the user to type the name. The user can type any string here. You can see this is not fixed. Think X, Y, Z. Enter and there it is. The text inside the course enter your name is shown as a prompt. You can see here, this is a prompt. Whatever the user types gets stored in the variable name. The variable is name here. Then you print it back with a greeting. You can print anything here. This is a fixed text. Let's see another example. That is, if we want the user to give his age. Okay, age, then input into your age, then print your age, the variable is old. Okay, let's see. Enter age 4. So the computer is perfectly interacting with the user. Code this in a right way. Use input to take user input. Store the input in a variable like name, age, or you can have any variable here. And then, if you got the input working, comment input down below. In the next video, we'll learn about Python operators and expressions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python lessons.